Alrighty, so Python in 1 minute or less, and I've just wasted about 5 seconds on this intro. So if you haven't already, check out the Python documentation, in particular this one here, number 5, data structures. It's a really, really rich list of things about lists. And today I wanted to take you through a couple of the methods, hopefully in the next 40 seconds. One is the append versus the extend. So I've got two lists here, list 1 and list 2, shift enter on that. And just quickly, if I go list1 dot extend list 2, first thing you'll notice is nothing is returned. And now when I look at list 1, it actually contains everything from list 2. It was modified in place. Now the difference here is, let's run that one more time, shift enter on that. And now if I was to say append, okay, shift enter, you will notice that it has appended list 1 into list 2, which is really cool. And knowing the difference between extend and append can be really useful when you want to basically combine some lists or create a list of lists.